Seal up to 85 square feet of nylon tent floors, rainflies and tarps with this 4 fluid ounces tent sealer, previously known as Tent Shore. Restore old PU coatings that are flaking, sticky or degrading with this effective tent waterproofing and seam sealer. Apply water-based formula that dries to a long-lasting, nearly invisible coating that also flexes with nylon. Use it to create a watertight seal that will keep you dry in the rain. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Waterproofed my rainfly. Last year on a family camping trip, water pooled in a triangular area formed by the intersection of 3 tent poles at the top of the tent. Rainwater made it past the taped seams and dripped inside the vent at the top. I sealed the taped seams on the inside and then sealed the outside seam areas with this. I haven't tested it in the rain yet, but I am sure it will work. June 2022 will tell the story.